Positive Quotes, Part 7. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired. Positive thinking will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. Nurture your mind with great thoughts, for you will never go any higher than you think. Be positive, patient, persistent. We can change our lives. We can do, have, and be exactly what we wish. Even the darkest night will end and the sun will rise. Positive thinking evokes more energy, more initiative, more happiness. The happiest people don't have the best of everything. They just make the best of everything. When you stop chasing the wrong things, you give the right things a chance to catch you. Victory is in having done your best. If you have done your best, you have won. In the end, everything will be okay. If it is not okay, it is not yet the end. You can, you should, and if you are brave enough to start, you will. Problems are not stop signs, they are guidelines. Joy is not in things, it is in us. Be the light in the dark, be the calm in the storm, and be at peace while at war. I have decided to be happy because it is good for my health. Choose to be optimistic, it feels better. Think big thoughts, but relish small pleasures. Positive things happen to positive people. You will never find a rainbow if you are looking down. It's most important that you surround yourself with positivity always and have it in your mind at all times. Once you choose hope, anything is possible. Keep looking up. That is the secret of life. Wherever you go, no matter what the weather, always bring your own sunshine. Thanks for watching. Please press round button and subscribe. Your comments and suggestions are awaited.